Hey, what's up everybody? Brian here from T-sportline. Gonna do a quick video today to again talk about the T-sportline center caps for Cybertrucks. To recap, I'm gonna use a couple of trucks we have in the shop that we're doing vinyl installations on, actually PPF in this case. Now, you remember this is the original Goodyear tire, this is the all-terrain setup, and this is the original Aero cover right here. If you pull this Aero cover off, you can put T-sportline center cap in there. It'll let you have the actual wheel showing and not the Aero cover. Let's take a look at that. This one actually has the Aero cover removed. Remember, for a long time, Tesla delivered these without Aero covers. And if you have an Aero cover, you can pull it off. This is what the wheel looks like. It's a pretty cool looking wheel, but our center cap goes in here, and that's gonna pop in place, and it covers up the lug nuts, covers up the center bore. This is made like OEM caliber. This just plugs in, pops in place, comes with a little tool. You can pull it out if you need to pull the wheel off. It comes with the T-sportline center caps. We also offer Tesla authentic center caps you could pop in here if you wanted a Tesla logo instead. Let's move on to the new core wheel, the Pirelli tire, and let's see, this is actually gonna fit that as well. And finally, our third truck here, you can see this is the newer style. This is the core wheel, the Pirelli tire, and the Aero cover is a little bit different. It's actually just the size of the wheel itself. This cap's gonna work too. Let's see, you can put your hands in here and literally just pull this off. And you can tell this wheel is slightly different than the one we just showed you that had the Goodyear all-terrain, but the good news is our center cap just literally snaps in place. Line it up, pop it in there, and you're good to go. Whether you have the new core wheel with the Pirelli tire or the original type that came with the Goodyear tire, the T-sportline center caps can work. All right, everybody, if you like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you come back soon. We've got a lot more upgrades for Cybertruck coming your way.